How's it going, everyone? Here's a video that I did not see myself, at least anytime soon, but we're here right on the corner of International Drive at the one and only Icon Park, which is home, of course, to the Orlando Starflyer right behind me, and then, of course, the Orlando Eye, which I believe has since been renamed to the Wheel at Icon Park. But we're here for some more Epic updates on the current progress of Epic Universe. We just had a lot of fun a couple weeks ago, walking around the construction site, around the roadways, around the Kirkman Road area and Epic Boulevard to capture some footage. Had a lot of fun doing that. I want to bring more Epic Universe content to you heading into 2025 when the park is supposed to debut. And so today we're doing something a little different. We are gonna hop on the Wheel at Icon Park. Had to get that right. The Wheel at Icon Park. I'm gonna show you how much it costs if you wanna come out and do this as your own little adventure next time in the Orlando, Central Florida area, and then go for one lap around about 400 feet up in the air. So it should be a lot of fun. Let's go hop on over there and check it out. And so here's where I parked. Relatively close. Parking is free here, which is nice. There's the Wheel way back there on the other side of the parking garage. And then there is the Orlando Starflyer. So now that I've kind of made it to the heart of Icon Park, it's kind of surprising how long it took me to come and really check this out for myself. There's a lot of fun and unique offerings here in the Central Florida area, right here at Icon Park. There's a little train that goes around, a carousel right beside me, and then of course behind me is the Wheel, which we're gonna go ahead and go do that. Alright, so I got my one ticket right here for the Wheel. It cost me about $34.99 plus tax. But let's go hop in line. It doesn't look like there's a big wait, so let's go hop on that thing right now. And I will see you from above Orlando. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, so a little echoey in here. Not sure how well the video quality will turn out, but
Nothing to go about it. It's just coming up on the Florida State line.
So we are now on the Wheel at Icon Park. We got more audio playing. Nice little seat right here to sit in. We're going up about 400 feet. This should be pretty exhilarating and pretty fun. So let's go ahead and hopefully capture some amazing footage of Epic Universe. Alright, I also want to see how long this whole experience takes. We're already going up. Look at that.
St. Augustine. Step back in time to savor the eternal waters that lure Spaniards to Florida.
that about does it. Wicked cool. Definitely a unique look at the Orlando area. Alright. Thanks so much. And then of course, exit through the gift shop. Well folks, that's our show. I hope you enjoyed this episode here on ParkTwister as we came out, checked out the wheel at Icon Park right here on International Drive. Definitely a unique experience that I am glad that I came out and did. It was about $35 a person for one adult. I believe you could fit up to 4 to 6 passengers in a cabin together, and then there was a children admission, but I forgot to check that and see what the price was. You save a couple dollars there. Definitely a fun experience to come out and check out Epic Universe from up there. Hopefully ride testing for Starfall Racers will begin very soon, and because those trains are on the track and ready to go. And now it was about a 15-minute experience, which is not bad. Some may look at it and be like, that's a little, pricey for that. But I mean, for the time of day, we did not wait in line. We waited behind one person, Uno, basically waiting for them to get on, and then we were next. We grabbed our ticket at the bar, walked right up, scanned right in, and we were on our way. Definitely recommend coming earlier than later. It's about 1:30, 2 o'clock right now, so definitely better to come earlier than later into the night. Right around this time, definitely couldn't have timed that any better. But guys, that's gonna do it from here on ParkTwister. Definitely stay tuned for more Epic Universe construction updates. I want to do more videos like this. Moving on, heading into 2025 when the park should be ready to go by next year. So guys, thanks for joining us. This is Alex, and I will see you in the next one.